Hello, all right, guys. This is me speaking, right? So I just finished my final exam for my OND, that is Ordinary National Diploma. So, and I'll be signing out today, as you know, like a culture that is probably made right after finishing a level. You sign out, right? So I'm just trying to sign out, and these are my course mates here trying to sign out and fighting for the spot they want to sign out on my dress there. So this is me here. I'll be showing you a full video on how this day went. Right, it was an amazing day, but yet I regret doing the video, but at least it's a record sake, and I faced a lot for this video, right? But we thanks to God. So this is me going upstairs to meet my students and my classmates at the same time, taking some record to show you guys how things are going, right? What it is to be a graduate, perhaps, yeah. And this is me. These are my course mates trying to sign on my dress, and it's a wonderful day, right? And thanks to everyone outside there that watch my videos online, and without you guys I can't be who I am. And thanks for those that support and donated towards the cause of this YouTube channel, because without them I don't think I can survive. It's not easy, right? It's not easy. So I thank my course mates, everybody, for your support from ND1 to ND3, right? So I thank them all. Thank you guys for your support. So this is me and my course mate trying to sign on them, and they sign on me, and etc. So I have much more stuff to show you guys as we proceed. So I'll be showing you guys you can see the video is about 16 minutes. So there are a lot I'll be showing you guys today. So stick to this video and watch till the end. Thanks for watching.